What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money online while still working your 9-to-5 job. Now, most people that are working a 9-to-5 job, working their full-time day job, are struggling to make an additional income, to make that side income, that side hustle. And it's because they don't know what they can actually do. In today's video, I want to show you what you can start doing right now to start making money online. Now, before I get into it, I just want to explain kind of what it is. Now, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube by doing something called affiliate marketing. That means I am going to show you how you take a video and you promote a certain product, and once somebody buys that product, the company that's selling that product pays you a small commission. Okay? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But the reason why I want to show you this is because when you're working a 9-to-5 job, you are busy from like 8 in the morning to 6 o'clock at night, and maybe even longer than that, maybe 8 in the morning to 6:30, 7 o'clock at night, because you got kids, you got responsibilities, you got all this stuff, you got the house, whatever it is. Now, the problem is you are working all that time. You do not have time to list stuff on eBay or list stuff on Amazon or sell stuff on Craigslist or whatever it is. You don't have time. But when you create a YouTube video, you spend a couple hours, maybe every few days, creating a video, and that video is always selling. By always selling, I'm talking about it's always there. If somebody goes to it, clicks the link, and buys that product you're recommending, you're promoting, you make money. And this doesn't just mean you make money today. It could mean you make money next week, and in a month from now, in 6 years from now. If that video starts taking off, you can make a lot of money very quickly, all right? And all you had to do was that one video. But I'm gonna show you what you can do right now so you can start making money. So let's go. All right, guys, so before I get into the rest of this video, I wanna show you something, okay? Somebody asked the other day if I was gonna do a discount for Mother's Day. I wasn't going to, but I thought I might as well just throw it into this video. If you guys want it, affiliate marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. Have a code. As long as you use the link in the description box below, you can get it for $25. So it's $42 off, all right? So you can get it for 25 bucks. Again, the link to it will be down in the description box below. Shows you everything you need to know about how to get views, how to monetize your videos through affiliate marketing, and the different networks I recommend. Now, here's what I want to show you guys. It doesn't matter what it is that you enjoy in your life. It doesn't matter what it is you have a hobby for. There are ways you can make money through affiliate marketing. Let me show you examples, right? This right here, I typed in life as a single mom. If you go and watch some of these videos, what it's like to be a single mom, a day in the life of a single mom, day in the life of a working single mom. There are things that single moms really need. Okay, one of them is a day planner. Day planners are essential, not just having it on your phone, but actually having something there, in writing, something that you can cross off, change things, move things around. Again, not just an app on your phone. A day planner is an essential item to have as a single mom, all right? And so life as a single mom, if you did a vlog, if you talked about it, what you do, what you don't do, the struggles, stuff like that. What's going to happen? People are going to watch this because they are a single mom as well. They need to know, what could I do? Well, if one of the main things you do is you write down everything that you do in a day, the day before in your day planner, so that you don't forget anything, because as a single mom, you got work, you got to feed your family, you got bills to pay, you got the house to maintain, and obviously you got kids to play with or whatever, just to be there, be present. And so that would be a great thing to do, is to promote this, a day planner, okay? A very simple day planner, because if this day planner sells for $25.97 right here, this one with a panda on it, what's going to happen, this one right here, is you're going to make, what, 5-6% of whatever it sells for, $25. So that's still not bad. You're making a little bit of money here and there. And again, if you want to make $100, $200 a day, you just got to start putting out more videos, right? Let me show you this one. Playing the guitar for beginners, okay? let's say you're decent at playing guitar and you understand the basic chords, you understand, strumming, you understand all the stuff, how to, put the strings in your guitar, how to tune it, all that stuff, all the great stuff. Those are going to be great videos for you to create, because once you do that, and look at this, playing the guitar for beginners, let me go to upload date, see right here. This guy right here, he has 3 subscribers, he already has 3 views, and it's done about 21 hours ago. Okay, let's see another one. Same guy, here's a different guy, 36,000 subscribers, 500 views, done a day ago. Let's see, let's try to find somebody without very many subscribers. Let's see. This one, 86 subscribers, 92 views a month ago. How to play Proud Mary by CCR on guitar, easy guitar tutorial and cover. Okay, great. And once you start doing this, again, I'll show you just with Amazon. Guitar for beginners. Okay, acoustic guitar for beginners. There's another book. Okay, you can sell guitars. Maybe this guy, this guitar right here, you just absolutely need this one guitar, this black one right here. Okay, if that's the case, you can go and get it. Okay, acoustic guitar. Okay, maybe this is the one he's selling, or this is the one right here. Probably not, but let's say this one right here for $120. All right, that's the guitar you need. You're gonna promote that one if somebody buys it, and you're gonna make, I think, 4 to 5% for musical instruments. So that's not bad. 4 to 5%. Say 5% and sells for $100. You make $5 just to sell this one guitar one time, right? So that's just playing the guitar. Let me show you this, yoga poses. Well, yoga poses isn't that difficult. People are gonna watch these videos and think, well, all right, what could I sell? Well, as a person that works a 9-to-5 job, you can't be there every single minute, every single day trying to promote a different book and different video series and yoga mats and yoga pants and all this stuff, and maybe the stretching blocks. You can't do that. But what you could do is you can do a video on beginner yoga poses, and then you can go and promote yoga mat. Okay, you can go and promote this different yoga mat, and maybe the yoga mat straps, right? And you're going to promote these different straps so they can carry it, and then you're also going to promote this this cleaner right here. Then maybe you want to promote this tote, and then you're going to go and let's see, yoga for beginners. Okay, they got DVDs, they got books, all this stuff, all right? Yoga for beginners. You can go and promote some of these things, and then people will start buying those. You'll make a little bit more money here and there, and it's just another great way to make some additional income. But the goal, the key, you have to create videos. You need to create videos on stuff that people want to see, people want to watch. Okay, just like you're watching this video. Why are you watching this video? Are you you have a 9-to-5 job right now, and you don't really like it? You want to make an additional income. You want to make some, supplement your income that you have right now. You want to quit one day. Well, you need to make an income before you can eventually quit, right? Here's something else I want to show you. Most people don't know this, but I did Invisalign for about 50 months, almost a year, 51 months, something like that, or 50 weeks. I did Invisalign for straighten my teeth and stuff like that. Actually, just got done with it very recently. And this right here, one of the things I did when I was first getting into Invisalign and thinking about it was I wanted to get some tips and some advice on, is it for me? Is it the right thing to do? Invisalign versus braces versus other things versus just surgery. What were my options? Well, for people that are getting into Invisalign and thinking about it, if you have Invisalign or you're going through it or you have braces, there's a bunch of things you probably need to know. So 10 Invisalign tips and hacks, great way to really build off of this, all right? And so I don't think she does just Invisalign. I think that was just one of her topics that she did a video on. So I come over here, click on videos, and you can see right here, Dina does Singapore, Yoga Weekend, Crazy Rich Asians, reaction, Drunk Elephant brand review. You get the idea, okay? So are you ready for 2018? Whatever. So she has a bunch of videos. Okay, great. But this was a fairly popular video a year ago. 73,000 views. And I don't know how many subscribers she has, but it's a decent amount, right? So one of the things she could do is promote Invisalign case. Okay, she can promote the different cases and sell those. They will not make her a ton of money, but she can still do that. I think there's an Invisalign pick to get the Invisalign out. So right here, a removal thing. Invisalign a cedar. It's these little chewy things. Okay, she can get that. Maybe after Invisalign, she wants to promote the well-being of her teeth after. So there's teeth whitening. She can promote this. Okay, there's a bunch of options just by having that one video. Okay, so that's what I want to get through to you guys is it doesn't matter what it is you're interested in, what your topic is, what your hobbies are. There's videos that you can create on just about anything. Again, Invisalign. Okay, yoga poses, playing the guitar, being a single mom. It doesn't matter what it is that you're interested in, have a hobby for, or have expertise in. You can create videos on that. You can monetize them and start making money. Again, this doesn't have to be a full-time job. This can be something you do on the side. Maybe once every week, you create a couple videos, you post them throughout the next week, and eventually they're going to start to take off. You can start to make some money from them. And someday, you could quit your 9-to-5 job just by making some money from YouTube. As you can see, you can create videos on just about anything and monetize it in different ways. There's affiliate links to Amazon. There's affiliate links to courses, affiliate links to services, affiliate links to personal coaching. You can find an affiliate link out there that you can promote and start making money. It's not that hard, all right? Let me give you a tip. My number one tip when it comes to creating any type of income on YouTube is to be consistent. Your first video is not going to be the best video. Your 10th video is not going to be the best video, but it's going to be another video, another way for somebody to get through that video to your link and to hopefully buy whatever it is you're recommending, and then you make a commission. But this whole thing, you have to actually do quality work. You have to have a quality video. You have to give quality content. You need to benefit that person's life in some way, or they're never going to buy anything from you. That's just the way it works, all right? So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.